Welcome. As you guys can see, this is going to be on my ponytail sew-in using these kinky bundles from Zigzag Hair on Amazon. Yes. So let's get straight into it. I don't want to waste y'all time. I decided to do this on dirty hair so you guys could see the full process and how seamless this sew-in is. And look at it right now. Look at that sleekness. Not a single track showing. Yes, bruh. Yes. So I just wanted to show you guys the platform of this hair and how I just pretty much sewed around and left the perimeter out. And look how terribly I sewed these tracks. I sewed these tracks down so bad because it was my first time trying this hairstyle, and it was still seamless. As shocking as it is, it was still seamless. So I'm very proud of myself. Look at this, you guys. And obviously there's so many videos on YouTube to show you how to do a detailed ponytail sew-in, because that's what I did. All I had was a weaving net, needle, thread, and YouTube University. Okay, that is all I had. Right now, I'm just trying to detangle my hair and get it ready for me to wash and co-wash. I think I co-washed my hair. I think that's what it was. I don't think I did a full-blown wash, but yeah, I did a co-wash just so that I can revive the hair, get all the knots and all the ugliness out, and make sure that it's good. As you guys can see in the shower, this is after I've already washed my hair. I've already did everything. I'm just showing you guys me rinsing out the product. And look at this, you guys. This does not look like tracks. This looks like my natural ass hair. Are you kidding me? I just wanted to give you guys the shower action and just show you how seamless this sewing is, even with my bad sewing skills. What? You cannot tell me this is not growing straight out of my scalp. Look at that. Wow. A little slow cam so y'all can get the realness of this seamless ass sewing. I'm in love. I really enjoyed this hair so much. Wow. Not a single track showing. Yes. So we are fresh out the shower and the hair is looking good. It is revived, seamless, everything. The curls feel so juicy and they feel so alive. I also wanted to show you guys the back as well. Look at that. Not a single track showing. So this is how the hair looks like when it's all blown out, because I am gonna try to flat iron it and stuff so I could see how it looks like. I want to try to do a blowout and everything just so you guys can see the full versatility of these bundles and all the different things you can do with it. So I'm just getting my thermal spray and then applying my little heat. You guys, don't clutch your pearls. Everything's gonna be okay. All right, it's okay if I apply a little heat to my hair. I really don't have a problem with that. But as I'm straightening and giving this hair a chance, I was struggling. As you guys can see, I am struggling because this hair is really interesting and I don't think it can really hold a curl like that. Yeah, no. No. We cannot go further with this. Girl, let it go.
I'm just gonna talk real quick so y'all can understand what is going on here. So I just started doing it at first and I'm not gonna lie y'all, it's definitely giving real natural hair realness. But I'm not feeling how I'm trying to bump this hair a little bit and give it a bit of a blowout look. And I don't know if I'm bumping it right, but it's just not coming out the way that I want it to. This is looking, I don't know-ish. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Nah, this ain't it. Like I said, it's giving real hair realness, because there goes my natural hair and there goes the bundle. All I gotta say is natural state, it's a 10 out of 10. I really do love it. It blends so well with my natural hair. Everyone really thought it was my natural hair. But as if for it being straightened, it also blends well too. It does match in texture, but it does not hold a curl. That's the problem. This is trial and error. I'm just showing y'all the realness of what these things look like on a regular basis. But yeah, if you are interested in purchasing these bundles as well, make sure that you click the link in the description box. That will be linked straight to my Amazon storefront. And you can get these kinky bundles and sew your own shit up. I do want to try the kinky curly clip-ins, just because I personally cannot commit to a sew-in. I'm not even gonna cap, like I have to take it off. And this is always good for me to try out, to let me know, like, am I able to commit to a sew-in? Because some of the girlies can and some of the girlies cannot. And unfortunately, I'm not one of the girlies that can commit to sew-ins. Like, I'll have to take my shit off at night, or like switch it up to a side part if I feel like it. Like, there are versatile sew-ins too, but I'm not ready for that just yet. I'm not ready for that. The hair is just better in its natural state. I could just say it like that. And oh my god, I look crazy. What I'm gonna do is just like spritz my hair. I'm gonna put it in a puff and just kind of show you guys how seamless this sew-in is. This sewing method is so seamless, and I wanted to show you guys everything in its natural state. Like, at first I was like, you know what, I need to get dolled up, I gotta get cute, and then show them exactly how this hair works. Let me show them the actual real deal here, because obviously I'm not dolled up 24/7. The time right now is 11, I don't know if you guys can see, it's 11:02. It's 11:02 p.m. So, unfortunately, I am going to have to re-wet the hair because I do love the curls and the natural texture. I'm totally okay with the fact that it has to go back to its natural state. As you can see, it's starting to shrink up. I'm giving y'all the full experience with these bundles. We done blow dried it. I tried to flat iron it. This right here is literally the part where I flat ironed the tracks. So this is it right here. This is literally it right here, y'all. I'm just going to touch up on the edges. What I normally put on the edges is some edge control. This is my last time putting edge control in this hair, because my hair is very sensitive. So constantly like putting gel in it, sometimes it can suffocate my hair's follicles, and my hair starts to get really itchy and irritated. So I try to use this at a minimum. I don't add gel to it all the time. I'm only adding gel now, just for you guys, so you guys can see how I style this hair in a more detailed way. And yeah, it's worth the purchase, especially if you need a little break from wigs and you want to do some cute natural hairstyles. This is going to be your go-to. Like, I guarantee you will not regret it. These is the kind of bundles that I would just like have in my hair closet, just to play with in the future. Like, let's say one day you want a cute textured bun in the back, or like a top knot bun that's textured, or whatever the case. These will be the best, like the best bundles to use, so it looks as natural as possible, and you can still achieve like a wet look on the bundle and everything. Like, I'm telling y'all, these bundles are going to come in handy. I'm going to do another video using these bundles as well. I want to show you guys how you can style these bundles, you know, without it being a sew-in. So yes, this sew-in will be coming out. This is the curl boosting jelly that I use on my hair. I really like just moving it around. I don't really like go in sections and try to like define the curl perfectly. I did the first time I got the hair, because I just like really loved the texture and I thought it was so pretty and everything. But now I just kind of like let it be textured and big at the same time. I had so much fun playing with this hair, doing different type of experiments with this hair. I'm glad that I got this little experiment for you guys on camera, trying to flat iron this mess. I would not recommend trying to flat iron this hair because it doesn't really turn out so cute. And unless I'm doing something wrong. If I am, then you guys can correct me. Just do a quick little 360. I'm gonna also show you guys how I wrap it at night so that, you know, the curls are preserved and, you know, you're not getting product all over your pillowcase. Before going to sleep, do that. This is pretty much like the pineapple. I think that's what they call it. I think it's called like the pineapple or something. You let the curls sit on top. If I want the curls to dry out throughout the day, then I would just have this out. Right before going to sleep, I get my little bonnet, put it right on top of the curls. Gives me a little alien head, I know. But it's okay. Y'all understand. Anybody that understands this will understand that we are protected and we are secured and we are ready to go. Sometimes I do add a second bonnet. Just for the safety. This is like to be sure. Yep. That's how we do that, but we ain't going to bed right now, so this is gonna have to come right back off, boo. Yeah, we ain't going to bed right now. I'm about to flex this little hair around the house a little bit. Come on now. And if I wanted it any bigger, I could literally blow dry it, you know, stretching it out and using, this is what I use to get that volume in my hair. So I would just like raise it up, as you guys can see, like, you see that? It gives me like a little height, you know? So, y'all, I don't know, if this video didn't convince you, then thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and going along this hair little quest with me for a little bit, seeing if it could straighten, seeing how it looks blown out and blow dried. And yeah, if you guys have any wig textures that you would like to see me in, or maybe like wig looks that you would like to see, let me know down below, because I definitely want to be able to serve you guys in return. I would love if you guys would choose a look maybe and ask me to replicate it, and I would love to do that. Like, that would be so much fun. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. If you would love to hit me up on my social media, it will be in the description box as well. And yeah, like I said before, this hair will be linked in my Amazon storefront, which will also be in my description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.